Ron DeSantis. The mission continues at Alligator Alcatraz. The media was wrong. The leftist judge has been overturned. Florida will keep leading the way. Let's check it out.
The mission continues on immigration enforcement. The media was giddy that somehow Alligator Alcatraz was, quote, shutting down. And we told them that that wasn't true. There have been illegal aliens continuing to be there and being
staying
removed
open,
and returned
baby,
to their home country. But they ran with the narrative.
Of course they did.
Some leftist judge ruled implausibly that somehow Florida wasn't allowed to use our own property to help the federal government in this important mission. They didn't do an environmental impact statement. Well, we said we would fight that. We said the mission would continue. And I'm pleased to say that the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals has just stayed that ruling and stayed the case. So Alligator Alcatraz is, in fact, like we've always said, open for business.
Let's go, Governor!
The mission continues, and we're going to continue leading the way when it comes to immigration enforcement.
Oh, so proud I voted for Governor Ron DeSantis. More than once, of course. So it's kind of a bummer that he's only going to be governor for just a short time longer. But I mean, he has absolutely crushed it as governor for our state. Just announced yesterday that they are getting rid of all vaccine mandates in the state of Florida. All of them, not just COVID, every last single fucking one of them. And I think that's a good thing because it's my body, my choice, as the Democrats would say. So I don't see any problem with it. If you don't want to get a vaccine, then that's fine. You're only putting yourself at risk when it comes to contracting any kind of virus or disease or whatever the hell it might be. Because if everybody else has a vaccine, they're covered. They're good as far as that's concerned. So if you don't get one, then, I don't really see how you're putting other people at risk necessarily. I mean, that's just my opinion. But I'm no medical expert or anything. So we're going to move to Attorney General James Utmeyer, victory secured against activist judge who held me in contempt. The 11th Circuit not only blocked Judge Williams' order to close Alligator Alcatraz, but they blocked her from proceeding with the case until the appeal is complete. A win for Florida and President Trump's agenda. Hell yeah, I'm giving that one a like for sure. And we're going to move to Eric Daugherty. Just now, Obama Judge Kathleen Williams' declaration that she's president of the United States is terminated. An appeals court decided she was not in her legal rights to unilaterally close up Alligator Alcatraz in South Florida. Article 2 wins. Florida wins. And from Bill Milligan, breaking federal appeals court, 11th Circuit, blocks Obama-appointed federal judge Kathleen Williams' order to close down Alligator Alcatraz and halt all construction there. Additionally, she is blocked from proceeding with the case until Florida appeal is complete. Big W for Florida and DHS. And this is from the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit. And let's see, it's addressed to, Friends of the Everglades Incorporated, Center for Biological Diversity. Those are the plaintiffs, the leftists most likely, and the Miccosukee Tribe of Indians of Florida, and the Secretary of the United States, Department of Homeland Security. These are the defendants. Acting Director of the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement, Executive Director of the Florida Division of Emergency Management. And it looks like this occurred in Miami-Dade County. Order of the court. Before Jordan Branch and Lagoa Circuit Judge says on August 21st, 2025, the district court issued a preliminary injunction barring Florida and the United States from engaging in any additional construction at the detention facility known as Alligator Alcatraz and ordering the site closed and dismantled within 60 days. The state and federal defendants have filed motions to stay that injunction pending appeal. After careful consideration, we grant the defendants' motions and we stay the preliminary injunction and the underlying case itself pending appeal. Slam dunk, home run, let's go. Alligator Alcatraz stays open, guarded by 2 million alligators all around the Everglades. So let's move on to Nick Sordor. Still the same subject. Breaking, a U.S. appeals court has blocked an activist judge's order to close Alligator Alcatraz. A big win for America. Big loss for activist judges. Now, fill it to the brim with illegals. The 11th Circuit also blocked the activist judge from proceeding with the case until the appeal is resolved. And we're moving on to, it's in the same vein, has to do with illegal immigration, locking them up and getting them deported, getting them the hell out of here. From Secretary Kristi Noem, now open the Louisiana lockup. Let's check this out. Uh-oh. Sounds like copyright. Nah, it's okay. Fuck it. It's Louisiana lockup, baby. Woo! Uh-oh. Damn, X didn't like my cursor moving across the screen there.